The controversial businessman and ZANU-PF benefactor Chivhayo has launched a scathing attack on acting president Constantino Chiwenga, dismissing him as a failed politician after Chiwenga's anti-corruption speech on Monday. Sanapinda mashoko atakunoti panguva ino aiwa Chivhayo panapa onzi nevanhu ava kucrossa a red line achiataka general. Sanapinda mashoko amudanyirwa panapa mboka pai panoti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina mnamudwanyi kwa mchinzi. Speaking at the burial of former deputy chief secretary Justin Mpamanga at the National Heroes Acre, Chiwenga warned corrupt elements within ZANU-PF, accusing them of enriching themselves through illicit means. He invoked the term Zvigananda, a wartime label for individuals who amassed wealth dishonestly, arguing that Zimbabwe's founding principles rejected greed and self-enrichment. In a social media post on Wednesday, Chivhayo hit back defiantly, saying he would not be intimidated. I will always support President Idi Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF's vision, and no individual, big or small, can instill fear in me. I will neither be moved by nor shaken by any veiled threats from failed politicians, he wrote. He also distanced himself from controversial letter allegedly written by him, requesting permission from local banks to withdraw up to $20 million per month for undisclosed transactions. Despite his criminal past, he has remained a key figure in ZANU-PF circles, flaunting his wealth and securing lucrative government deals, raising questions about the party's commitment to fighting corruption. Tomashwa nomuda panapa chonoti mukomana dzukino Chivhayo panguva inoi kunyangwe ane history inozikanwa kuti mukomana uyu anozikanwa as a fraudster, anongosiyiwa aiwa achiloita achiramba chona magovernment tenders panapa achingodhisha motor vehicles kungava nevanhu vari mubato kana macitizens vaizama kubribe kana kutenga macitizens. Zvitiko panapa vanhu zvavanyatsoona kuti aiwa tichiona general vachistopa corruption panguva inoi vanhu vaiona ava said the greatest move kana kuti the most possible move rofana kuitwa kuti nyika yeZimbabwe ibudirire. Tudze mafungudo enyu uri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Munyango mesection medu, so subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.